This is going to be a short video on how to restore this old drawer. It's in pretty bad shape. It has been lined before. Somebody lined it with felt. That's not the way this drawer would have been originally made. It would have been solid metal. I've got the other drawers already finished. This is from an old toolbox. These are the drawers that I've got finished. They still need another coat. As you can see, it's soaked in a little bit there. I've only done one coat on them. For the base, I'm still using the original base, and I'll show you how to do that as well. I didn't do the bottom. Let's get started. I'm not going to take the drawer completely apart. I'm just going to take the base out, the bottom, so I can clean it all easy, sand it all easy. If you'll notice, they are nailed in. That's all it is 3 little nails, round head nails. You can take a screwdriver and pry it up underneath it. That's going to bend the metal. Readjust the camera. What I'm going to do is just take a piece of scrap and use it as a punch and punch down on it. Hopefully that'll free the nails up without bending the bottom. It is real thin metal. I'm just going to use a piece of scrap aluminum to hopefully knock the nail down. Push it down. It don't have to be much, just enough to pry it out. That got it. It didn't. This one's going to be stubborn. That's the reason why. I didn't cut a piece. They used so much glue on it. The upholstery. That broke it free. I think that's enough. That's too thick. I am going to reuse the nails. I'm just going to show a little bit of this. All I really want to do is remove the glue. And the rust, some of the surface rust. Where this is really thin metal, it won't take much to burn a hole in it. Okay, I've got it pretty much clean. It's real smooth, as you can see. I do want to clean it. About time for a clean rag. If there is any high spots, you'll notice it'll change colors real quickly because it is real thin while you're sanding. The dye that I'm going to use on this is called Solar Lux. It doesn't take much. I might not have got enough on it the first time. Oh yeah. This is an alcohol-based dye. I'll let it cure and then come back. Okay, I'm back now. The plate has cured, or the drawer bottom. Nice black. I've got the drawer frame pretty much finished for now. I believe I'm catching. Still got some dents in it, won't hurt a thing. The only thing really left is to re-drill some holes. You can punch them, but I prefer to drill them. The drawer is finished.